Click on the link below to get discount. The RealTruck UnderCover Ultra Flex Hard Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover, UX12019, is a remarkable addition to any truck, providing a blend of functionality, style, and durability that's hard to beat. This cover is designed for easy installation, requiring no drilling or special tools, which is a huge plus for those who prefer a straightforward DIY approach. The cover comes pre-assembled, allowing users to slide it into place and secure it in mere minutes. One of the standout features of the Ultra Flex is its hard folding design. This allows for easy access to the truck bed while still providing security for your belongings. The cover can be folded back completely, providing full bed access when needed, and can stay in a partially open position, making it convenient for loading and unloading cargo. The high-quality, aluminum panels are not only lightweight but also incredibly sturdy, giving users peace of mind that their items are well protected against the elements and potential theft. This tonneau cover is built to withstand harsh weather conditions, with a watertight seal that keeps moisture out of the bed. Additionally, the sleek black finish enhances the overall aesthetic of the truck, giving it a more polished and professional appearance. The low-profile design adds to its appeal, as it doesn't hinder the truck's aerodynamics, potentially improving fuel efficiency. Installing the cover is a breeze, with an adjustable clamp system that ensures a snug fit on various truck models. The Ultra Flex also features integrated LED lights, which illuminate the truck bed for nighttime use, making it an excellent choice for those who frequently work after dark. In conclusion, the RealTruck UnderCover Ultra Flex Hard Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is a top-tier accessory for truck owners seeking versatility, security, and enhanced appearance. It combines quality craftsmanship with practical features, making it an investment worth considering for anyone looking to elevate their truck's functionality.